So I'm gonna show you how to buying a coffee in this simple machine. First, put your money, your tujuan, and then choose the taste of what you want. Plus this, and then esnya terisi. And then what should I do next? Tell. First, let me put sato, gula. Tambah lagi. And then cream. After the cream, I put a little coffee on it. And after that, we are waiting for the machines working for us. Is it done? Okay, is it done? Okay, and then after that, open this and take your coffee as you want, like this. So I'm gonna try this one. Itadakimasu. So you can put sugar and then cream and then coffee and then ice as you wish. So okay. Here's some information for you to know. If you wanna adding a sugar like more than one time, you can press this like 2 times or 3 times as you wish. And then for the cream as you wish also, and then the coffee. So this is for the very first time, and the next, and then dekiragari warimashita. It means you got your perfect coffee as you wish. Thank you. Thank me later. Period.